What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm hoping by the time we hit this video that I'm pretty sure we hit 300 subscribers. So I want to thank every single one of you for helping me do that. I feel like before winter we're gonna hit 500 and then the big 1,000 for me. So I want to thank every single one of you for that. Today we're gonna be installing a cold air intake, and I guess you could call it a radiator cover. I'm gonna show you guys on how to do that. I've been wanting to put the cold air intake on it for a while. We're gonna be getting the car tuned, I want to say next week from the moment that this video is being made. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure that you subscribe, because that video is going to be killer. I'm ready to do a wide open throttle pull on this and just have some fun with this car, because I feel like I've been having to baby it a lot. So quick news, I didn't tell anybody about this, but the car had, I guess you could say, a bad rocker, because technically it was making like a loud ticking noise, but now it's actually completely gone, so we can get the car tuned how we'd like it to. So I didn't want to get it tuned by Schrader with that problem, because just in case something went bad on the dyno and then, you know, Schrader had to take the blame or something. So we got it fixed. Hopefully next week, I want to say, we're going to get this car tuned and have some fun with it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Yeah, you guys, so this piece is right here is going to be the one that we're going to replace. These bolts, I believe, should be on top of this, but sadly they're not. So we'll fix that. But there was these little plugs right here that were in that hole and that hole. I don't know where I bought this, but this is like a special tool just to remove that kind of stuff. So the one we're gonna put is right over there.
Is that a vortex?
Yep. Oh God, no, it's not. Oh God. That woman just asked me, is that a vortex? I think I got that on camera. Yeah, you guys, so we put it on. We got these little push pins from AutoZone. If you want a copy, that's exactly the ones I got, because the ones that were on the car were kind of messed up and they didn't work as good. These are the same length and these stay up, I guess, a little bit, so you can pop them out if you need to in the future. But you guys can see, this is what it turned out like. Looks pretty sweet. Move that. Yeah, it looks really nice under the hood. I had to put the Pikachu meme on there because you gotta admit it. Especially when we get the 3.0 Whipple, that's the face everybody's gonna make when they look under here. Hopefully, hopefully. We're getting ready to go ahead and install my JLT on here. So the first thing we gotta do is remove all the factory intake tubing, all that stuff. So we're gonna start with that flathead, or with that clamp, and we're gonna remove that and then kind of work our way down more than likely and remove everything else. So we ended up loosening the clamps for this. We took off the old heat shield. This is crazy because, I mean, you look at the comparison in these two, like the colors and everything. It's just, yeah, this one's pretty old, but it's a JLT. I didn't know that, so I'm probably just gonna toss this. I'm not gonna worry about doing anything with it. But we got the new one right there. I guess it's the stock intake tube with a JLT filter. So we're gonna change all that out though. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna try to remove is the whole actual intake tubing, and then we're gonna transfer that into the new hardware. So you guys, fast forwarding a little bit later, there wasn't really much to show, so I didn't really show anything. To be honest, it's kind of funny, but basically we have it put on. You basically transfer, the only thing you're transferring over is your mass airflow sensor. Your clamps, you need to make sure that you put, all these three clamps are going to be the same size. This one and those two up there that come with the cold air intake kit. The three biggest ones, two of them go here, and then one goes up top here, and then the smallest one goes right here. You're going to have one of these rubber, I guess, rubber intake piece. This one with the JLT Performance goes here, and then the plain black one goes up there over the throttle body. This fits in here basically perfectly. And then you're gonna have one more clamp, but this one's already on the filter. So when you open the filter, this one will already be on there, so you'll know where this one goes. You're gonna have a black gasket. You put that in between this metal piece where the mass airflow sensor is and the actual filter. You put it in between there. And I'm probably gonna crank it up just to make sure I don't hear nothing funny or nothing. I plugged the plug right here, and then I put the temperature one in the bottom, because on the factory you can kind of see, actually probably it's right there on the side, but on this one it's actually under the tube, so you have to kind of go in there. But we're probably gonna crank it up and just make sure we don't hear nothing funny, nothing weird, and everything seems fine. So actually it hasn't been cranked up in a couple of days, so I'm gonna let you guys hear a cold start. So good. Make sure I don't have no David engine lights. Nope. Oh, check engine. I don't need those. But yeah, you guys can see we installed the cold air intake ourselves. Cold air intakes are super simple. If you've never done a cold air intake, I would definitely recommend to do it. It's something super easy to do to get yourself into kind of learning on how to work on these things. Nothing crazy. We also put that on. I think that's tying everything together. I think that looks sexy. We are seriously just missing the 3.0 Whipple to go right there. When we get that, it's over for everybody. As of right now, like I said, November 24th at 11 a.m. we are getting the car dynoed, or at least tuned, and then we're gonna get a dyno maybe the next day or that day of. So I'm really excited. We're gonna be going to Schrader Performance in Lowell, North Carolina, I believe. So if you need any kind of tuning, make sure that you go hit him up on Instagram. He has a beautiful yellow Coyote Swap Mustang. Like I said, guys, we're getting work done to the car. We're doing a lot of stuff to it. The next thing we're gonna do is going to be, I already have it planned out because I want to do it really badly. But we're gonna be doing the third brake light and the tail lights. P.S. I ordered something really awesome for this car. Haven't told anybody yet. I'm kind of keeping it on the low for now, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and drop a thumbs up. You know, I'm trying to make this a dream of mine. Really crazy news right quick. I gotta tell everybody. As y'all know, I work over 40 hours every week. I have been for the last 10 weeks. I have a full-time job. I'm trying to make this a full-time job eventually. But I just got third shift. I usually work second shift, so I'm at work during the afternoon when it's a beautiful day. But now, I just got third shift, so I'm gonna start working at night. So I'll have more time during the day to edit videos and make videos. So I'm really happy. I feel very blessed to have what I have in the life that I'm living. But like I said, if you guys like this video, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about the video. Comment down below what you think I ordered for this car that's a surprise that nobody knows about. Do me a favor and do that. Subscribe, please, if you aren't already, because subscribers help me out the most. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor and just drop that thumbs up. And guys, we'll see you guys next time.